A promise kept, the birth of Jesus. In a time of darkness and silence, a promise neared fulfillment. An angelic messenger stands before Mary with radiant peace. You will bear a son, Mary receives the astonishing promise. Joseph wrestles with doubt as sleep overtakes him. A dream, do not be afraid, take Mary as your wife. Under cold stars, they travel the long road to Bethlehem. Doors close, only a stable offers shelter for the night. In quiet humility, the child is laid in a manger of straw. Above the stable, a brilliant star shines like a promise kept. Shepherds keep watch, as the night stretches silent and cold. Heaven's light opens, good news fills the night with glory. They find the child and kneel in wonder at the humble scene. Far lands watch the same star and begin a noble journey. The wise arrive bearing treasures, quiet awe upon their faces. Warned in a dream, the wise choose another road home. The light of the world had arrived not in a palace, but in a manger.